Hello everyone and welcome to your channel Crypto Guy. Thanks for everyone who is liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. It helps a lot. In this video, I'm going to tell you about where Bitcoin is going heading. We already have break this triangle and now there can be a very big push. So let's get into it. Check my last video, what is DAI stablecoin and how to make passive income from DAI. Okay, so here it is, Bitcoin US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that we have already broke this triangle and Bitcoin have a massive push from this triangle and we are now above 20 EMA, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 one daily candle close. This is insane and Bitcoin is going up, and after that we have been reached around 1100 730. So this will be the next target at the moment. In short term, we have to look closely this target 1100 750, and the next target will be about 12,000 12,200. So the next one will be from 12,000 to 12,200. Here you can see that Bitcoin is having a little bit cool down, which is totally normal. In MACD you have seen that we have already been has been past the peak, and now we are a little bit in right green, and then it's gonna be turned into like this and then start doing down, and then it's coming back up. So now we have a little bit cool down period, and if you believe that Bitcoin is going up rather than going down, this is a good time to accumulate and stack BTC. Let's go to 4-hour chart and see what the situation is there. Here you can see that Bitcoin is sitting perfectly on 20 weekly moving average, and we have been touched the 11,750. So this is the moment at the right. We have to check this. We are moving about 20 weekly moving average, and if we break down, we will come down unless 11,173, which is about 11,200, and in the bearish scenario 11,000, and the last will be 10,900, which was turned into support at this time. So if we come to 1 day Bitcoin US dollar chart, you can see that this is 20 weekly moving average. So in the bearish momentum or in the cool down period, I think we should be looking this point about 11,000. This is very important, and in my case it will come back until here, and there definitely there gonna be a bounce, and that would be a good entry for long position if you're looking this. And if you want to make long, here is the famous trade exchange, and you can find my referral link as well in the comments as well. So let's move to Ethereum at the moment. Ethereum US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that Ethereum also went until like 395, and then we have a little bit cool off period, and now we are coming back about 375, and I think that it can come until down until 365. So that will be a good long entry. In MACD is also showing weakness, is going definitely is going to be coming down, and then maybe we have a small like sell off here, or people who are taking profit. I think this is very technical, that if you have make profit out of it, if you have the long this position from here to here, now this is a good time to take profit, and then this is the good re-entry point for Ethereum as well. If we go at 4-hour chart, you can also see that RSI is just moving here. From here we can still have a bit push up, or we can go down, and if we go down, that 378 will be 20 weekly moving average, and it will be a good point for long position. And even if we are able to break this support, the next support line at 368, and then last support line would be 363 in near future. As I told you many times, that whenever we have been above this 20 weekly moving average, this is a good time to be long. And when you start see this hammer candle, it means that the trend is coming down, and from this hammer candle, which was 396, I put a short and I already took profit out of here, and we touch this one time 20 weekly moving average. There is a possibility that we can come again and touch this 20 weekly moving average again, and then we go up, or we can just go up directly from there as well. But this will be a very good entry point. I think that this is quite reasonable that Ethereum and Bitcoin will come on the 20 weekly moving average, and from there we have a rebound like this, something like that. If we see about these technical indicators here, you can see that it's showing buy, and even strong buy according to moving average, because we have this very bullish momentum. So I think this is a good time to buy or to sell, only to take your profit. Okay, here you can see crypto fear and greed index at the moment is 53, so it is getting better. Yesterday it was greed and more than like 56, so people were like more greedy, but now things are getting a little bit cooled down and people are taking profit, so that's totally normal. And if we come and have a quick view on coinmarketcap.com, you can see that overall in 1 week everything is up, market is going up, and even like today they're been up or a little bit down because people are taking profit, and which is totally normal. So I think this is the point where you can also take your profit, the gains you have made in leverage trading, or just by spot trading by buying and selling crypto. Okay, so here we have some crypto news. Bitcoin honored in Spain to disclose assets under proposed bill. The proposed bill is a part of a wider strategy to crack down on financial crime in Spain. I think somehow it's a good thing, but you have to reveal your own assets to Bitcoin, and also like how much money you are making. So you have to be aware of this. Crypto King John McAfee arrested and sued for chilling ICOs. I think everybody knows, like in 2017, that McAfee was saying about coin of the day, and also I think he have a tattoo on his body of one coin that was, I think, sky coin. And he also makes some ridiculous prediction about Bitcoin price, which is not applicable at the moment, but definitely in the future, who knows. And here you can see like one chart from Twitter, and this is 2020 and this is 26. I like this chart, and actually I found the similarities here. You can find that this is a 2020, this was a support line, we broke the support line, we went into the bear market, and once we have start pumping again on the support line, and then we have this situation. So we are at this point we was in this point in 2016, and I think it's the same situation in this case. Like Bitcoin, it's like pumping across the support line, having some accumulate zone, and here you can see that break the support line, and then rest, you know what happened, that the price just go up and up and up and up. So definitely that's going to be that. And I also think that in upcoming years, especially 2021, we can see all-time high in Bitcoin, most probably because Bitcoin have mostly 4-year cycle. One more news move over stock to flow model corrector says that 90% chance that Bitcoin never dips below 11,000 again. I think you have been listening this kind of news every time, that when we have pumped to 10,000, people were saying that it will never go to 9,000. Now we are in 11,000. At the moment, we are having 11,500, and people are saying that we are not never going below 11k. That's why I said that this is a good point. If we have a rebound here at 11,000, it's a good point to long, to buy, and to accumulate. I think that's all for today. Stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and in my upcoming videos that I'm going to tell something about yield farming and similar about DeFi coins. So stay tuned, and until that, take care and bye bye.